Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to clear recycle bin in Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear recycle bin in Terabox, first open up your Terabox app on your phone. And after opening your Terabox app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see our three-line icons available for us. Just beside the Terabox, tap on the three-line icon at the top left corner of the screen, and you land over here where you can see the recycle bin option available for us over here. Just above the benefits, tap on recycle bin. And currently I don't have anything on the recycling bin, guys, but if you want to clear your recycle bin in the Terabox, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the clear all button available for us. If you tap on the clear all button at the top right corner of the screen, your recycle bin in Terabox will be cleared out. And with that being said, guys, this is how to clear recycle bin in Terabox. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.